What's up, family? Welcome back to another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle Channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. Today, what we got the Google Home Max. So this is another Google Assistant speaker, Bluetooth, everything. You ask the questions, pretty much it gives you the answers to whatever you want to know. This thing right now, before I started this video, I did a price comparison. Buy it now, eBay, $280 is the cheapest that I saw it for. If you want to buy brand new in stores like Walmart, Target, any of those stores, I think I seen it for $3.99. Well, I don't think, I know I seen it for $3.99. Like I always say, it's your money. Do whatever you want to do with it. You know what I'm saying? You want to buy a brand new? Buy a brand new. You're going to get a box. You're going to get this whatever's in the box, and that's it. You want to go buy it now. eBay, take your chances. Never know what you get in the box. You know what I'm saying? It might, you get your take your chances on eBay, but $280 is the price that I seen. Buy it now. It's your money. Do whatever you want to do with it. But we're going to go through the specs with this speaker. I took it out the box just to save time. You guys don't really need to see me unboxing this thing. Really not necessary. Pretty much you get the box. You get all the instructions that you get in everything in the box. You get the instructions and everything. You get the Let's Get Started guide. It tells you to plug it in. And you got to download the Google Home app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. And follow the instructions. That's what you get right there. Then is get to know your Google Home Max. And it's pretty much tells you everything on the top. When you tap it, that's the play and pause. Swipe this scroll. It's touch capacitive, so you scroll up and down. There's no knobs to change your volume. It has a cutoff mic on the back, cutoff switch, status light. Is USB Type-C, not the micro USB, so that's a pretty good thing. It has an aux in plug for non-Bluetooth devices, and you can set it up two orientations, vertical and horizontal. So that's pretty much the two ways you can set it up. If you set it up incorrectly, the voice prompt will tell you your Google Home is set up incorrectly. Please correct it. Something along those lines. And then it just say, just start with, let's just start it. Let's just start the video. Oh, it's one more book. Some nonsense nobody ever reads. Warranty information, safety and warranty. If you want to get the warranty information, that's up to you. So, start it up by saying, okay, Google, what time is it?
It's 1:29.
Okay, Google, what's the weather for today?
In West Haverstraw today, there will be freezing rain with a forecasted high of 34 and a low of 23. Right now it's 23 with freezing rain.
Then you can ask the different questions. We'll go through a couple of questions real quick. Okay, Google, tell me a joke.
Sure, here's one of my favorites. What's a computer's least favorite food? Spam.
Okay, Google, beatbox.
If you want a freestyle, my friend has you covered.
Yeah! Yeah.
What I must say about the speaker, like the speaker is crazy. Like the woofers and the bass and everything, the clarity is much better than other speakers. But on this channel, we ain't comparing, we ain't doing none of that. We're just focusing on this. So when you get this speaker and you hear other speakers, you're gonna definitely notice the difference, pretty much. So and I can't play like regular, mainstream music. But the Google Play Store or the Google Amazon Music or whatever it is, they have awesome playlists. Like if you said play 90s music or something, they'll go straight through hardly any interruptions, hardly any if any, hardly any commercials, anything like that. Awesome playlist. Bring back music from back in the days that you like songs you can't, it takes it way back pretty much. So it's awesome when you go to like the Google Play Store and stuff like that. We're gonna get into some music to hear how it sound, but obviously, for YouTube purposes, I can't go into like mainstream music because you're gonna get all the copyright strikes or whatever. It is what it is. But when you get this, you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about, like the throwback music, the old school music. Even if you want to play 2000s music or up-to-date music now, it's just like a party. You just keep going, and it keeps playing music, hardly any interruptions. Let's go into some more questions. Okay, Google, why is 6 afraid of 7?
It's my understanding that 7 is some kind of number cannibal.
Alright, I didn't get it, but it is what it is. Okay, Google, sing a song.
Finally it's here, I've been waiting for this chance. I could be on Broadway if only I could dance.
Okay, Google, what are the 3 laws of robotics?
According to Wikipedia, the 3 laws of robotics are a set of rules devised by the science fiction author Isaac Asimov.
Okay, Google, surprise me.
This fact might surprise you. Wikipedia says that the modern flute usually has a range from middle C upward for about 3 octaves.
Okay, Google, set a timer for 5 seconds.
Alright, 5 seconds. Starting now.
Okay, Google, tell me a riddle.
Okay, see if you can unlock this one. Welcome you in or keep you away. I could really swing either way. What am I?
A pendulum.
No, that's not it. Give it another try.
Okay, Google, stop.
Alright, if you ever want to come back, just ask for a riddle again.
Okay, Google, guess my age.
If you want me to remember your birthday, you can follow the link in the Google Home app to change your birthday.
That's the timer going off for the 5 seconds that we set previously. Okay, Google, stop. So you got different questions. You can set, if you have your Nest thermostat, you have your Wemo, you have Netflix. You can set all of that up. You can even use this if you got a Bluetooth television to be your sound system for your television. Like I said, the clarity, the bass, all of that stuff sounds awesome on this. So we're gonna get into some music real quick, and we're gonna see how this sounds real quick. Oh, one more question for the old school heads that's gonna remember this. Okay, Google, up, up, down, down, left, right, BA.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that yet.
They don't. That's the old school Contra. What's the name? So they don't. They usually they get that, the Google Assistants or the assistants. They usually get that, but it is what it is. Okay, Google, show me the money.
Sure, sound lunar underscore new underscore year underscore cash underscore register.
Okay, let's get into some music real quick. We went through all of that. You heard how, clarity and everything. I'm going to turn it up. Ignorant levels, of course. And we're going to get into some music and see how this thing sounds. Put your headphones on to get the best effect with this. That's the only way you're going to get a real good effect on how this thing sounds. Alright, I got it connected. And let's get into this real quick. Put your headphones up, turn it up, and sit back and enjoy this.
God, turn this shit up.
Yeah, I don't know if y'all could, the video was doing it any justice, but it's shaking the table. So it's rocking. Next song, we just going to get into it, and we're going to go out on the intro. That's going to be the outro to this video. 3 things in life you got to remember. Trust God, love family, stay focused. Till the next video, y'all, stay focused.